Smart Control tap timers are available in a Smart Control Bluetooth Pro CO3015 model and Smart Valve BTX1. The Bluetooth-controlled BTX1 offers automatic or manual operation and is programmable with the use of Bluetooth through a free app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet. This timer turns on and off automatically, opens up to 3 starts per day, and is ideal for green walls and misting systems. The app can control up to 8 tap timers, which are easily programmed to run in sequence and offers individual day selection, interval watering, odd and even day watering, and cycle watering, which is ideal for operating misting systems. The timer has a Bluetooth range of up to 20 metres. For more information on tap timers, visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.